guys, vlogging today. Welcome to downtown Toronto. Yes, finally, yes, I'm going to meet my YouTube manager. We're going for special training. I can't wait to meet other YouTubers that are coming today. I have an assigned manager from Google. We've been talking on the phone, and finally today I will be meeting with her. So come along, let's go to YouTube special event. So this is so amazing. We have the same name. Her name is Kartia as well, and she's so young. She have about, so it's so good. YouTube can really assign you a manager and pay the manager to train you to become what you want to become in YouTube. Yes, we just finished the class. Look around, look at all the people. Look at all the people. YouTube. YouTube. We are the YouTube people. This is Kate here. She is a small girl with lots of brain. Yeah, she is. Oh God, I love to call her my manager, my YouTube manager. She trains me and 40 other people on how to make it on YouTube. Yes, let me show you guys what we did today. You want to see the class? Oh, that's the classroom. We are just finishing and we gotta go home now. Bye people. Bye bye. We gotta go now. So I love it. I learned a lot today and I met with other Toronto YouTubers.